Next video. Hello kids, welcome back to Spoken English for Kids. Today we'll learn a very wise English sentence. Listen carefully. Think before you speak or act. Now repeat after me. Think before you speak or act. Well done. Let's say it slowly. Think, before you speak, or act, Now say it all together. Think before you speak or act. This means always use your mind before saying or doing anything. If we think first, we make better choices and avoid mistakes. For example, before you say something hurtful, think before you speak or act. Good kids always think first. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing your spoken English and good habits every day. See you